So one last time, this is my bright red turtleneck sweater with the white jean jacket. And as you can see, we've got a lot of pearls going on here. They just really go very well. And even if you wanted to nix the jean jacket, it adds quite a bit of color. Some other colors that would go really well that you've already seen include the orange here, the carnelian, and let's see, this one is attached to the hanger, but any of the purples, any of the bright copper would go really well with or without the jean jacket. Finally, moving up here, well, sorry, not finally, next is this turtleneck sweater. And this is a beautiful, like, kind of pumpkin-y orange, perfect for fall. Whoops. And this gorgeous piece, very sparkly, comes with a bracelet here. These are Swarovski crystals, as I'm sure you can see. Memory wire, so it's, again, no clasps, easy to take on and off. This is a beautiful mosaic gemstone pendant necklace that I've made. And this one has jade, carnelian, and freshwater pearls dyed in a real pretty light yellow color. I call this one candy corn. The carnelian goes really well with the orange, but all the other colors really help to make it pop. This is a jade and quartz necklace. It is quite a statement piece. And the antique bronze in the pendant and in the beads just really go very beautifully. I can make it lay right. There we go. Against the orange and with the brown sweater. Now coming over here, we are kind of getting ready for Christmas. We have the red flannel and the white turtleneck. You can see I'm a big turtleneck fan. And we have one of the missing earrings. This was featured on the white jacket there. This is just one of the many pieces that can go with a bunch of different things here. We have the antique bronze and the red coral. These are vintage glass beads upcycled. This bracelet goes really well to coordinate with that. And then this is upcycled charms and vintage Christmas jewelry and little jingle bells that I've made into a charm bracelet. So much fun. And then, you know, if it were springtime outside, or if it were a little bit warmer, or if you just need something a little bit, you know, sparkly to wear, this Swarovski crystal necklace is so pretty. It's got the red, the yellow, blue, and green butterflies. Let's see. Another piece that would go really well with all this has pink in it, which is a nice surprise, with the red, and again the little clear Swarovski butterfly beads. These necklaces are sterling silver. Next to it, again, kind of getting into the Christmas, New Year's spirit, we have this blue poncho shawl cape thing. These are matte sodalite beads in pink aventurine. The blue glass beads here, and this is a really fun necklace. Antique bronze, light blue little Swarovski crystals dangling from it, and a rose here. These are brown Swarovski earrings, and they go really well with this outfit, and so do these little earrings. And I have these in blue, red, and green. Trying to find these same findings so I can keep making them in all these different colors, because I really like that style of earring. Let's see, we've got this bracelet and earring set, a little funky in the box here. and these beautiful blue sodalite beads. And this one's sitting here because this bracelet can go with multiple outfits here. This one also goes really well. Navy and burgundy go really well together. The last three things I want to show you. I'm going to pass in front of Catherine here. I have this layered purple on purple. This is a lilac or a lavender colored purple and kind of a medium tone. Another Swarovski necklace, beautiful. And there are actually quite a few pieces. The grape purple shirt that you saw earlier, the sweater, a lot of those same pieces go very well with this. Wanted to show you this here. If you wanted to dress it up, you've got the crystals. If you wanted to kind of dress it down a little and go boho, we have the polished gemstones, the greens, the oranges, and we've got some of the purples right here. Really nice. Second to last but not least, this Christmas sweater. It is a beautiful forest green, and this, which does have matching earrings, has an antique bronze finish and red Swarovski crystal links. And then again, these little earrings here, the kind of moon birthstone earrings, go really well with it. If I let this go, it's gonna lose shape a little bit there. And then last but not least is my outfit here. The necklace that I have on is one that I've made. It has earrings and a bracelet that go with it. And these pieces coordinate very well also with my outfit. This one I love. It would be a really pretty wedding piece. It has freshwater pearls in this silvery gray, Swarovski crystals, and the pink aventurine gemstone beads. This is smoky quartz, and there are earrings that go with this. And it has, this is a brown silk tassel and pearls on it as well. And then this is just a really fun statement necklace. These are glass beads and gunmetal or antiqued silver bead caps. There's a lot of different colors in there. So there you have it. That's all. And I want to thank you so much for your time and joining me in my jewelry collection. Now I have to put all of this stuff away. See you next time.